Hi everyone! For today's video, I will show you how I made my diorama of the bacteria cell, and I will also discuss with you the parts and functions of the bacteria cell. So, let's get started. Hi guys! So this is how I made my diorama of the bacteria cell using colored paper, cardboard, glue, stick glue, yarn, and scissors. So this is the diorama of the bacteria cell that I've made. But before I start explaining the parts and functions of the bacteria cell, let me first define the bacteria cell. So bacteria are single-celled microbes. The cell structure is simpler than that of the other organisms, as there is no nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Instead, the control center containing the genetic information is contained in a single loop of DNA. So this one is the capsule. Capsule contains water which protects the bacteria against desiccation. They also exclude bacterial viruses and most hydrophobic toxic materials such as detergents and help the cells to adhere to surfaces. The possession of capsule makes some pathogenic bacteria resistant to phagocytosis. Next is this green one. This is the cell wall. The cell wall has multiple functions during bacterial growth, including maintaining bacterial cell integrity and shape as well as resisting internal trigger pressure. Furthermore, it must remain flexible to accommodate the remodeling that is required for cell division and growth. Next is this one, the yellow-green. This is the plasma membrane or cell membrane. The plasma membrane, also known as cytoplasmic membrane, is a prokaryotic cell most dynamic structure. Its primary function is to act as a selective permeability barrier, regulating the passage of substances into and out of the cell. So this one is the pili. A Pylus Arpili structure of a bacterium is the external filament-formed structure of the bacterium cell that protrudes from the surface to attach the bacterial cell to another surface with its adhesive tips, in which the other surface could be a host cell including as well another bacterial cell. Next is this one, Biflagella. A flagellum's primary function is locomotion, but it also serves as a sensory organelle sensitive to chemicals and temperature outside the cell. Flagella are organelles that are defined by their function rather than their structure. So next is this one, the yellow one. This is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm or protoplasm of the bacterial cells is where cell growth, metabolism, and replication take place. It is a gel-like matrix made up of water, enzymes, nutrients, waste, and gases, as well as cell structures like ribosomes, chromosomes, and plasmids. Next is this one. This is the ribosomes. Ribosomes are microscopic factories that are present in all cells, including bacteria. They convert the genetic code from nucleic acids molecular language to amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are the molecules that carry out all of the functions that cells and living organisms require. So this one is the plasmids. A plasmid is a small circular double-stranded DNA molecule that differs from chromosomal DNA in a cell. Plasmids are naturally found in bacterial cells and in some eukaryotes. Often, the genes carried by plasmids confer genetic advantages to bacteria such as antibiotic resistance. And this is the nucleoid region. The nucleoid is essential for controlling the activity of the cell and reproduction. It is where transcription and replication of DNA take place. So those are the parts and functions of the bacterial cell. I hope that you've learned something from me, guys. Keep safe and God bless.